Meaning of fifth generation.
Fifth generation.
Fifth generation.
Fifth generation.
Fifth generation. The term fifth generation typically refers to the latest iteration of computer technology, specifically in the field of artificial intelligence. This generation of AI is characterized by the development of more advanced neural networks and deep learning algorithms, as well as improved natural language processing and speech recognition capabilities. The ultimate goal of fifth-generation AI is to create machines that can not only process vast amounts of data, but also learn from that data and make decisions independently. This could have significant implications for fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, among others.